This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Here we have an older Knight mixer. This is a twin screw vertical mixer, 420 cubic feet. We have left-hand discharge with 3 auger discharge on that. You can see by some of the paint discoloration here. We do have a new liner welded in the lower portion. There are newer screws in there. Those have been replaced. We have a working scale head as well as this drop pan if you wanted to swap that out for this auger style discharge. Looks like we probably have a 36-inch discharge here. Let's take a look, and here you can see nice meaty screws. Fairly recent replacement there. This guy's running no knives. He wasn't doing any processing. He was just mixing feed, so he didn't need to resize anything. Knives can be bolted to these screws if you do need to process down bales. But should be a good older mixer, ready to go.